Okay guys, in this video we will be checking out the spikes trading strategy, and I will show you those things I look out for before I place an order for spikes. Okay, so sit tight and watch this video to the end. But before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay, if you have any question, drop your question in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. Okay, so guys, let's go straight into what we are right here. Okay, um quickly we're going to be checking out the spikes trading strategy. Okay, this strategy has actually been working for me for a very long period of time, and of course you too, you are going to enjoy every bit of it. First of all, we need to understand the assets uh, which we can use to trade spikes. We can trade spikes on any gain X assets, and we can also trade spikes on any pain X assets. Okay, so all these are very important. Okay, and there are conditions which you need to understand before you can say you want to trade spikes on any of these assets. For that of GainX is different from that of PayNext. In short, they work in opposite direction. If you truly want to trade spikes on GainX, then you need to make sure the market for GainX is on uptrend. Then you place your order at the support zone. Okay, so this is very important. Once you get this right, then you are most likely to be making profit trading these spikes on that gain X. Okay, now let's check out the market condition for pain X. Okay, for pain X, you need to make sure the market situation is downtrend. Okay, make sure it is on downtrend. Entry points are the resistance zones. Okay, when the market is on downtrend, the resistance zones are very important. Okay, for pain X, so all these are very important. Now let's check out this asset and see how we can put all this together in order for us to have a beautiful trading experience whenever we are trading spikes. Okay, so first of all, let's start with gain X 1200. If you should notice right here for gain X 15 minutes time frame, just for you to know, right here on gain X 1200, this happened to be a support region. Okay, it was selling before, and I said earlier that you place your order at the support region, and of course when the market is going on uptrend. But since it is unable to break out from here, definitely being a support region, then you will experience so many spikes at this point if you had placed your order somewhere here. Okay, but in order for you to trade for long, okay, you can wait for it to switch from a downtrend into an uptrend. This is around here. Okay, so definitely you can place your order when you got the buy order. Okay, and of course put your stop loss somewhere here, and this will give you an opportunity to benefit from the spikes, from all these spikes on 15 minutes time frame. This will have given you a lot of profits. Let's see more, guys. Let's see more. Okay guys, this is another one for GainX uh 999. Okay, this actually got to the support region at this point. Like I said, once it is approaching the support region, then you can definitely place your order for spikes trading. But let's say you even miss that, okay, or probably you are not sure where to place your order. Okay, if you're having this trading tool, or if you know how to analyze your assets on how, when it's going to switch from an uptrend, from a downtrend into an uptrend, then you can take advantage of it. Okay, right here, it switched from a downtrend into an uptrend and give us a buy signal at this point. So I expect you to place your order when you add your buy signal, and of course you can see so many spikes happen after that. Okay, you can see this, so many spikes happen after that. Okay, thereafter it came down again. If you missed out from this, you should know that since this has changed the direction of the trend from a downtrend to an uptrend, So we should experience more spikes at that particular point, but there will always be pullback in between. Right here is a pullback. So let's say you missed out from this, then you can still come in at this point, okay, and place more order at this point, okay. And of course, right now you will experience more spikes and you will be in big profits right now, okay. So that is that about GainX, and you can do that over and over. Here is another opportunity at the support zone. It switched from a downtrend into an uptrend, and of course we got the buy signal, and you can milk the market to this very end, okay. So there are a lot of opportunities for you to grab if you are taking advantage of the information given to you in this video, okay. So let's see this, guys. This also got to the support region at this point, gave us a buy signal at this point. And of course, if you had come in around there and wait for it to do its work, okay, you can see it, see what you're going to benefit from. This is on 15 minutes time frame. Check it out. This is a lot of spikes happening around there because it is within the right region, okay. So that is why you are benefiting from that. Now let's consider pin X. How do we enjoy spikes whenever we are trading pin X, okay. Like the information given earlier, I said if you want to trade spikes while trading pin X, or trade spikes on pin X, it must come from the resistance zone and the market must be on downtrend, okay. So at this point it got to the resistance zone, okay. It got to the resistance zone at this point, okay. Let's say you put your stop loss here, and you allow it to switch from an uptrend into a downtrend, which actually happened around here. Happened around there. We got a sell signal around there. So all you just need to do is to place your sell signal at this spot, and you can see it crashing down and down and down. Even right now, it is still crashing down. Okay, so that is the beautiful part of it. You just need to understand this and put it into good use. Okay, so right now, okay, this had also been on uptrend for a while. Okay, this is another pin X 999, and right now it has gotten to the resistance zone. Okay, it has gotten to the resistance zone. Actually, if you had come in around there, you should still be in profit right now, but the market is actually reacting to the support zone at this point. It is reacting to the support zone at this point, and you can see it respected it here, it respected it here, so it is going back up again. And of course, when it gets to this region, probably this region, then we are most likely to have another set of spikes happening around there again. Okay, at that point it will switch from this uptrend signal into a downtrend, and you see it selling down, okay. And if it breaks out from here, then we have a whole lot of crashes happening around here, okay. So, and that is what we are actually waiting for, but it has not been able to break out from this support region, okay. This is a beautiful way of trading the spikes. All you need to know is to have a better understanding of when to trade it. Number one, for gain X, it must be on uptrend and it must be from the support zone. Number two, for pin X, then it must be on downtrend and it must be from the resistance zone. All these are very, very important. Once you get all these right, then you will definitely be in profits most of the time whenever you are trading your spikes, okay. So I will be stopping right here. If you have any question, you can drop your question for me down there in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away. I will be there to reply you. And of course, kindly subscribe to this channel, and you can join the Telegram channel also for free signals, okay. So watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.